Every second a device breaks down and every minute it stays unfixed, businesses lose money, technicians struggle, and consumers are left waiting. The global repair industry is worth billions and will be worth 26 billion by 2030. Yet it remains fragmented and inefficient. Traditional repair methods are slow, unreliable, and outdated. This leads to user frustration, and eventually discarding the gadget prematurely, therefore generating more e-waste. Introducing SERKIT, the world's first portable all-in-one repair station, designed for real-time on-site repairs, powered by Gadget Guruz. Imagine this, a technician arriving at your office and fixing a laptop in minutes. A home user getting a doorstep repair service. A repair business using SERKIT for faster, more profitable repairs. With SERKIT, technicians no longer need bulky setups or multiple tools. Our modular design integrates everything needed for repairs, from heat guns to diagnostic tools, cutting repair time by 50% and boosting technician productivity by 3x. A technician armed with SERKIT is essentially an entire repair shop on wheels. He can set up shop anywhere with a power source and start repairs. SERKIT can help with multiple devices like laptops, desktops, tablets, smartphones, printers, etc. With over 2 million in revenue, clients like Gale, Loda Group, and Cushman & Wakefield onboarded, and a growing technician network, SERKIT is set to redefine the repair industry. Our data proves it. Repeat customers, technician adoption, and enterprise interest are skyrocketing. We are not just selling a product, we are building a movement. This isn't just an India problem, it's a global problem. Businesses, technicians, and consumers worldwide need faster, smarter repairs, and SERKIT is the solution. We are looking for support to expand our operations and take our product global and dominate the repair tech market. This is your chance to be part of a high-growth, high-impact revolution. Join us in building the future of on-site repairs and transforming the tech service industry forever. The future of tech repair is here. Let's innovate, disrupt, and lead this industry together. The world is ready for SERKIT. Are you?